crazy hoe.
MayneGang, what's good, man? I'm back with another one. So listen, yeah, I see it's dark right now. It's because I'm taking my car to the shop that we gotta go to right now. In previous videos, I told y'all that I'm getting the undercoat done and stuff by this new company called Crown. They're not new, but new to me at least. They're rated like #2 in the US for undercoat and stuff like that, and then #1 in Canada. So just by that alone, I feel like I could trust my Hellcat being done by them as far as like the work goes. So they're doing an undercoat for the rust and snow and salt and stuff, and then they're gonna do a rust cleaning. I'm sorry, not a rust clean. They're gonna do a salt cleaning. So what they do is they wash your car down, then they spray the underneath with this chemical that pretty much cleans all the current salt out. So before I was saying that there was a salt undercoat, that was completely wrong. It's just a salt cleaning. So they just clean all of the current salt that you have underneath the car as of right now, which is what I need. So we almost there. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the spot because I actually need my map to see where I'm going. So I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds, man. I'm not right now. It's super dark out here. I think I'm almost here. Yup, right here. Okay, so perfect. They got a key drop box right there, which is great. I'm gonna park my car right here in the cut in the dark. All right, that should be good, man. So we should have all this work done. Actually, you know what? Let me take these cameras and stuff down because I don't want them all in my stuff. But pretty much, I'm gonna come pick it up in the morning. They said it's an hour process, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna take a ride back with my lady. But let me go drop the key off. Let me make sure I got nothing important in here. Nope, nothing I need. Make sure I got nothing in there. Nope, nothing I need, so. Go take this over here to this drop box. And I'm gonna miss my baby, man. Don't mind her, y'all. I know she dirty right now. Take this key off. My girl blasting the music. Alright, drop box is all done. We out, y'all. So I gotta come back in the morning and get it. My appointment is tomorrow at 9:30. So just for y'all that wanna know, I'm bringing my car to Crown. It's like a rust protection place. I've heard great things about it. Everybody that I reached out to and asked about it, they had good news too. So I'm gonna see y'all in the morning pretty much, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Y'all miss my baby. We lit, son. Hold on though. Yo, listen. It ain't feel right looking out the window not seeing my car, man. It definitely didn't feel right, man. So I'm glad I got my baby back. I gotta make a call. I definitely needed my car too because I got a couple things to do, man. I missed out on some money because I ain't have my baby. Hold on. First pull. First pull, y'all. That was mostly just spinning, honestly. Oh my God, I miss my car, son. Oh. Damn. Oh my God. All right, man. So pretty much that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna go over that paperwork and stuff when I. What the fuck? Oh, damn, that shit's smoking crazy. That must be like the chemicals or whatever they put in there. Oh my God, look at all the smoke. Oh, that shit smell bad. Whew. Yeah, it's gotta be all the chemicals. That's exactly what it is. That's what I smell. It's strong too. Oh my God. Yeah, look at all that smoke. Damn. I probably should have took it easy, let it dry, but I miss my car, man. I miss my baby. I can never get enough of that. Literally missed this light because this car wanted to slow down. Oh my God, look at my shit smoking. Oh yeah, I can't see it on the camera. Oh, shit is smoking. That nigga next to me looking at me like I'm crazy. Yo, there's literally smoke coming out the nostrils of the hood. Oh, that, yo. Yeah, I probably should park my car for a little bit. Nope. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that type scaring me. That doesn't smell like something about to blow up. Alright, so I'm gonna get to where I gotta go and then I'll go through that breakdown for you on what I actually got done to the car. Alright, so obviously it's a brand new day, man. So Christmas has gone by. A couple days have gone by since I was last recording. Just been mad busy with the family doing stuff, man. So hope y'all don't mind. It took me a couple days to do this video because that last video did real well. So I kind of want to just go back to back on the videos, but I just been so busy with family stuff. We've been spending so much time with the family. Christmas, day after Christmas, and then the day after, I was just late. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was dead tired yesterday. So, well, pretty much, man, everything that we got done, right? So just the crown spray package, it was $129.95. With taxes came to $140.35. Pretty much, man. That includes the full service that they do, right? And you have to go back every year. So it's $140 every year, and it pretty much protects your car throughout the entire snow, salt kind of water season, so that you won't have any problems with that. So let me show y'all exactly what they do, right? Because people think they just go underneath and spray, and that's really not all they do. So there's Big Sexy right there, JELLYCAT. So pretty much what they do is they go from the inside and then under. So they drill holes in the frame, spray in outward, right? Through each door jamb, right here too. So that one there, and then each door that they do. I'm sorry, y'all, it's mad windy out right now. So right here, right there, and then on the other door side as well. I'm gonna get back in the car because it's mad windy. Not bad for the wind. It's OD windy right now. So, but yeah, they spray in the door jambs of each door, and then they spray underneath the car so that it doesn't rust. None of the internal parts rust, right? So this is the company right here, Crown, right? Pamphlet right here. Nothing crazy. It's just, then when you open it, right, you get this nice little new vehicle warranty stuff for the car. Pretty much telling you everything that was done to the car. So all body panels below window line, all seams and crevices, and then all floor and rocker panels. So all of that stuff is sprayed so that way nothing rusts out on you. And then, like I said, here's the warranty stuff for it. And then they do require you to go back every year. I mean, I'm going to be real with y'all. I was a dummy, and I paid Zebart. When I got my Chrysler 200, I paid Zebart like $600, right? And that left like a nasty yellow sticky residue underneath the hood, on the door jambs. Like, it wasn't like, I don't know, like, for the amount of money, I feel like I shouldn't have been having to scrub my doors, scrub the engine bay because it just looked nasty. So I just didn't want to go Zebart again. To me, lately they've been doing a lot of half-ass work, man, and I just don't like that. Like, bro, I work hard for my bread. Like, I hate when people have a profession and they not professional about it. You know what I'm saying? So I just can't go back to Zebart. They did my tent too, and they left bubbles on pretty much every single window. Like, I don't know, man. I gotta when it comes to stuff like that, I'm about to just stop going to like the locally known people, because once they get more customers, they start slacking on their quality. And I don't care about how fast they got it done. I just want quality, bro. Like, I want it to look good. I want it to look clean. I don't want to come back because I gotta fix something. I want it done the right way the first time. Plain and simple. I'm not in a rush. Know what I'm saying? I'll come get my car when y'all done. Plain and simple. But these people were great, son. They let me drop the car off the night before, had the drop box ready. Took my car right in at 9:30 in the morning. They called me like, hey, listen, we finna start the job, yada yada. And they called me like at 9:20 to let me know that they was gonna start the job, which I mean, it doesn't bother me. I was knocked out anyway, but just the fact that they call you and let you know that they about to start your car, that's amazing. Like, you know, just that kind of customer service, man. That's why I really like that place. And then, I mean, they got me in my car. They set an hour, and my car was done by 10:30. They just give you a little warning, like, hey, your car might be smoking for the next couple days. But they left that in my voicemail, which I didn't listen all the way to. So, y'all see in the video, when I seen the smoke, I started tripping a little bit, like, yo, which I should have known, though. It's pretty kind of common sense, but I started tripping a little bit because it was a lot of smoke, bro, like a lot of smoke. But other than that, man, they was just, it's in and out, man. Everything was taken care of the right way. They was real nice people. They squeezed me in an appointment when I made it a couple months ago. They squeezed me right in on Christmas Eve, in that Christmas Eve morning. So, got me in. The price was what it was. Know what I'm saying? They did what they was gonna do. They washed the car. That was my main thing. They washed the car like it was clean. The car was dead clean, bro. So stuff like that, man, I just appreciate. So they definitely got a long time customer. Crown, if y'all watching this, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for taking care of JELLYCAT. I will be back next year, and I'll be bringing all my my other cars to y'all, family cars to y'all, everything. So appreciate y'all, man. But anyway, that's all I got for the video, man. Make sure if y'all in upstate New York or any other state, town, country, and they got a Crown, take that car to Crown Rust Protection, man. They do a real good job. They get you in and out, and they just upfront with their prices. They real simple, man. I think it started at like $120 for a small car, $120, $130, $140, $150, depending on what size car or vehicle you're doing. And then they got like a $10 or $15 package if you want the salt wash too, which they put a chemical to wash the current salt that's on your car off. It doesn't protect you from further salt. That's what the undercoating is for, but they will wash the current salt that you have off. It's a full wash, salt wash. So they wash all of the salt that's on your car off. And they washed my car squeaky clean because it was super dirty. Hopefully, y'all can see the video tonight when I dropped it. Y'all can see in the video tonight when I dropped it off, it was mad dirty, and I picked it up. That joint was glossy purple. So, like I said, I appreciate them, man. But that's all I got for y'all on this video, man. Make sure y'all get your car protected. If y'all gonna be driving something like this, or any car that y'all want to keep safe through the winters, y'all know y'all gonna be driving it for the next, 4 or 5 years, and y'all want to go drive it through the winter. Make sure y'all get y'all undercoating done, man, just to keep the car well maintenance, and protect it through these rough winters. Because New York, at least upstate, I can speak for, we got a salt mine like half hour from us, so we get the most salt on the road. So just take that car there, man. Let them know y'all heard about them from me, and then pretty much they just do good work, man. I've never had that quick of a experience from a company before. So I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Y'all already know, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, man. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Peace.